front of me is ARCHOS Access 57, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestions on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System and go to Languages and Input. Now you should pick Virtual Keyboard, click on Gboard, and here you have to pick Text Correction. Now scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice Show Emoji Suggestions. So if you truly want to activate this feature, if you would like to have the suggestions active, just tap here, and now it is on. Obviously, whenever you would like to switch off this feature, switch off this tool, just click here again. And this is it, so that would be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.